Welcome back to Bike Hub, the home of power, style, and the loudest machines on two wheels. Today, we reveal something extremely special, something Harley-Davidson riders have been waiting decades for. This is the new 2026 Harley-Davidson Model R. A machine that revives Harley's rebellious DNA and brings back the raw American muscle we thought was long gone. The Model R isn't just a motorcycle. It's a statement, a comeback, and Harley's loudest message to the world: we're not done yet. In this video, we'll explore the design, engine, technology, ride feel, performance, and why the Model R is considered Harley's most aggressive release in years. Strap in, because this one is pure thunder. History of the Model R, a name with power. The Model R name first appeared many decades ago, representing lightweight performance machines. But Harley never used that badge again, until now. In 2026, the Model R is reborn, but not as a small classic. It returns as a modern American powerhouse designed to compete with the world's most aggressive power cruisers, naked bikes, and sport touring machines. Harley knows the future is competitive, and the Model R is their answer. Design overview: a muscular masterpiece. Harley didn't just design a motorcycle. They engineered a sculpted weapon. The 2026 Model R has a muscular stance, a low-slung frame, and a futuristic silhouette combining classic Harley cues with modern aerodynamics. Key exterior highlights: aggressive LED headlamp with a razor-sharp DRL signature. Wide tank with deep contours for knee grip. Minimal rear fender showcasing its huge back tire. Thick front forks giving it a dominant front profile. Exposed engine architecture showing raw mechanical beauty. Sport-inspired tail design. The Model R sits low, long, and wide, exactly how a modern Harley should look. It has presence, attitude, and a steel-fisted style that says, "I'm here. Move aside." Engine, the heart of the monster. Now let's talk about the part everyone wants to know, the engine. The 2026 Model R is powered by a Revolution Max 1550cc V-twin, upgraded from the previous generation of Harley performance engines. This powerplant produces 170-plus horsepower, 140 Nm torque, redline up to 9,000 RPM. This is not the old-school Harley rumble. This is a new breed of Harley muscle, faster, sharper, and engineered to compete with the world's best power cruisers. The throttle response is instant. The acceleration is explosive. And the engine sound, deep, aggressive, and unmistakably Harley, has been tuned to perfection. The Model R proves that Harley can still build a monster when they want to. Exhaust system, a new signature roar. Harley introduced a redesigned titanium dual-flow exhaust system. It does two things: maximizes airflow and power, produces a heavy, roaring, metallic soundtrack. This exhaust note is unlike any other Harley. It's not slow and lazy. It's sharp. It's fast. It's loud. It's American thunder wrapped in modern engineering. Chassis and handling, built for control. Harley developed an all-new chassis for the Model R. Lightweight steel tube frame, aluminum swing arm, upside-down 49mm front forks. Fully adjustable rear monoshock. This combination gives the Model R sharp handling, making it surprisingly agile for its size. The bike sits low to the ground with a long wheelbase, ensuring stability even at high-speed pulls. The handling is firm, confident, and planted, something Harley riders have always wanted from a high-performance model. Brakes, stopping power you can trust. Power means nothing without control. The Model R is equipped with dual 320mm front discs, Brembo 4-piston radial calipers, single 300mm rear disc, ABS cornering system. This braking system is designed to bring the Model R to a stop with certainty, even during aggressive riding or emergency situations. Tires and wheels, grip like a Predator. Harley developed a new set of wheels for the Model R. Front, 120/70ths R18. Rear, 255ths R17. That massive rear tire delivers serious grip and acceleration stability. The tires are specially crafted for both performance riding and long-distance comfort, perfect for riders who want speed and touring capability in one machine. Technology, future meets tradition. Harley's 2026 electronics package is packed with premium rider assist features. Digital cockpit, a 7-inch curved TFT display with GPS. Customizable riding modes. Performance stats. Bluetooth music and navigation. Real-time diagnostics. Riding modes. Sport. Maximum power. Sharp throttle. Touring. Smooth acceleration. Optimized comfort. Rain. Controlled power delivery. Custom mode. Fully adjustable. Safety and assist systems. Traction control. Wheel lift control. Slide control. Cornering ABS. Launch mode. Cruise control. Harley's latest technology package makes the Model R both fierce and intelligent. Comfort and ergonomics. Power with ease. Even though the Model R is built for performance, Harley hasn't forgotten comfort. Riders get a sculpted low seat, forward positioned foot controls, slightly aggressive but comfortable handlebars, wind-resistant design for highway riding. The ergonomics balance sportiness with long-distance capability. It's not a pure sport bike, and it's not a lazy cruiser. It sits right in the middle, the perfect hybrid of power and comfort. Riding experience, what it feels like. Riding the 2026 Model R is an experience of raw energy and precision. Acceleration. The bike launches hard, pushing the rider back with pure muscular force. Mid-range power. The torque hits early and stays powerful throughout the band. Cornering. With its new chassis, the Model R leans better than any previous Harley power cruiser. Highway performance. Smooth, stable, and commanding, this motorcycle owns the road. City riding. Surprisingly manageable thanks to its balanced weight and responsive throttle. This motorcycle is built for riders who want thrill, power, and commanding presence. Fuel efficiency and range. Harley enhanced fuel efficiency with an optimized fuel injection system and lightweight materials. The Model R delivers approximately 18 to 20 km/h depending on riding mode. A range of around 300 kilometers per tank. This allows riders to enjoy long highway trips without constant fuel stops. Customization options. Build your own monster. Harley knows their riders love customization. So the Model R comes with more than 80 factory accessories, including performance exhausts, touring windshields, luggage kits, LED upgrade kits, seat variations, handlebars and mirrors, painted body kits. Harley built the Model R to be a platform, not just a motorcycle. Price and variants. The 2026 Model R is available in 3 trims. 1. Model R Base. Full performance. Standard features. Best value. 2. Model RS. Performance package. Premium electronics. Improved suspension. 3. Model R Special Edition. Unique paint themes. Lightweight materials. Exclusive exhaust and wheels. Prices will vary by region, but globally, the expected range is $22,000 minus $27,000 USD. WHO is the Model R4. This motorcycle is perfect for riders who love power cruisers, Harley fans who want modern performance, sport bike riders looking for V-twin torque, long-distance riders who want comfort and strength, anyone who wants a motorcycle that stands out. The Model R is not for beginners. It's a machine built for experienced riders who respect power. Why the Model R matters to Harley. The motorcycle world is evolving.